Hello everyone. Uh, Today we will be discussing how we can calculate present value for growing annuity. So far in this chapter, you have already learned how can you calculate the present value of annuity, future value of annuity, and also there are some present value of ordinary annuity and annuity due. We can discuss it later, but right now we will be discussing how we can calculate the growing annuity. That means you have an annuity um, cash flow. And there is a growth, constant growth with that cash flow. Now we have to calculate the growing annuity. Okay, right? So you can see the time frame. There is a like long formula. If you want to calculate manually, it will be very time consuming. I mean, kind of quite tough. So we can use this formula to easily calculate the present value for the growing annuity. So even if it is for 30 years, 40 years, whatever the years, you just put the value for T. And once you have all the information here, you can easily calculate present value, right? Okay, let's see the example. It would be easy for to solve then. Okay. A defined benefit retirement plan pays 40,000 per year for 30 years. So we have T here 30 years and our cash flow is 40,000, right? The payment increases by 2% every year. So this increase is basically the growth rate. So we have growth rate 2%. All right. If the discount rate is 7%, so our R is 7%, it is the present value of the plan. So you can see here, like we have all the information, right? For the calculation of present value, we have C, we have R, we have G, we also have T, right? So we can calculate it uh, if you want, you can use your calculator, you can use Excel sheet. For your convenience, I have just written the same formula, exact same formula here. I just wrote it here just for the clarification, just for the easiness. Okay. Uh, okay. So we can just plug the value here to get the present value. What is our uh, say C1? So our cash flow is 40,000, right? So just put 40,000 here, 40,000. We can put a bracket, or I think what we can do, we can just copy it, right? So we just copy the formula here, paste it here, and we can just change the values of every component. So it should be 40,000. Our R discount rate is 7%. Our growth rate is 2%. So we just substituting the value of each of the component, right? The rate is 7% and our P is 30. So before that, put the equal sign for the Excel. Thus, you have the value for the present value of growing annuity. Okay, so you can get this almost same. We can round it to two decimals. So you can use your financial calculator. You can use Excel, whatever you like. Even there are like some other way to do for each year of the in Excel sheet. But this is kind of a like traditional formula where you can easily calculate the present value of growing annuity. All right. Okay. I hope this video helps you a lot. Still, if you find any concern or any suggestion or any other concern, just feel free to reach me. Thank you.